Experiencing distorted or crackling sound, especially at high volumes? This is a telltale sign of a blown car speaker. Notice a speaker producing no sound at all or intermittent output? Hear buzzing or rattling noises or a reduction in bass or treble? Visual cues like cone discoloration, dents, or foam deterioration also indicate damage. These issues often worsen with age, particularly in vehicles over 5 years old due to accumulated vibration and heat. Identifying these symptoms early is crucial for accurate diagnosis and potential repair. To confirm a blown speaker, start with an auditory test by playing music at varying volumes to isolate the faulty speaker. Next, visually inspect for physical damage like tears or burns. Use a multimeter to measure resistance. It should match the speaker's specs, such as 4 ohms. Infinite or zero resistance indicates a problem. Simple fixes include cleaning connections or tightening loose wires. If damaged, consider a DIY recone kit or replacing the speaker, ensuring compatibility with wattage and impedance. For complex issues, professional service is available. Prevention involves using crossovers to filter frequencies and matching amp power to speaker ratings.